Telepathy is real, and the reason that none of us can communicate telepathically anymore is because there's too much interference. But if we were all to just sit in a room in silence, turn off the Wi-Fi, turn off our phones, you'd be surprised what you could hear. Have you ever heard the song, The Sound of Silence? What do you think they're talking about in there? That's crazy. It's almost like they're talking about telepathy. But if we were all to just sit in a room in silence, turn off the Wi-Fi, turn off our phones, you'd be surprised what you could hear. Now, as if that isn't peculiar enough, right? Let's talk about the sound of silence in those Gothic churches. Did you know that in those Gothic churches, those huge oil paintings, if you go into the middle of a church and you record the sound of silence in a church, and then record that sound of silence again and again and again and again, you will get this fractal pattern that is those huge, huge oil paintings that you see in every Gothic church. They took away our silence, they gave us a man-made language, and they told you that you don't have any powers, and you believe that. Take control of your life by controlling your thoughts. Once you can control your mind and your thoughts, you're no longer a slave to this realm. And you can create your own future by changing your vibration, and then everything on that vibration will just be attracted to you. If you guys found this content interesting, go ahead, drop a like, drop a comment, and as always, peace!